Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix this device is disabled in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this issue just follow some easy steps. Firstly click on start. Now guys, here type device manager. Open device manager. Now guys, you will see a list of devices. So find out which device has disabled error. Like for example, your camera is disabled, so right click on it. For example, your camera is disabled, so expand it and right click on that item. Then enable device. Just you have to select enable device. So you have to find out program and application which has disabled error. So expand that, right click on it and enable that device. And still guys, you are facing error after enabled. So right click on it and click on update driver. Select browse my computer. Let me pick from a list. Select your driver, then next. So this is the way guys you can fix and you can resolve error. This device is disabled in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this method work for you or not.